If you've ever wondered how much money you can safely withdraw from your savings without running out, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down the 4% rule. The 4% rule is a guideline used to determine how much you can withdraw from your savings each year without running out of money. Here's how it works. First, calculate 4% of your total retirement savings in the first year. Next, adjust that amount for inflation. If you have $1 million saved, you'd withdraw $40,000 in your first year. Studies show that this rate gives your savings a high chance of lasting 30 years or more. By limiting your withdrawals to 4%, you're not taking out too much too soon. For balanced withdrawals, the stock market grows historically at 7 to 10% annually. To apply the 4% rule to your life, calculate your retirement number, start saving early, and review your plan regularly. The 4% rule explained in under 3 minutes. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more financial tips.